E4 Lite 5G packs impressive features of a mid-range price point, starting with its massive 5500 mAh battery that provides all-day power. Not only you can enjoy long-lasting battery life, but it also supports to reverse charging, so you can share the power to your friends. For rapid top-ups, the 80-watt Super Whoop fast charging ensures you are back to full charge in just 20 minutes. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 50 megapixel Sony Lite 600 main camera, which captures high-quality photos and videos with vivid details too. The AI-driven camera features elevate your mobile photography, ensuring that every shot is sharp and professional. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display provides vibrant visuals with buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for scrolling through content or gaming. With a peak brightness of 2100 nits, outdoor viewing is no problem, even in bright sunlight. The phone runs on Oxygen OS 14, offering a clean and user-friendly experience, and guarantees 2 major Android updates and 3 years of security upgrades, keeping your phone secure and up to date for years. Combine all of this with 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage option and dual stereo speakers, and you get a device that is powerful, immersive, and ready for all-day use. If you are after a 5G phone with a strong performance and a feature-packed camera, the OnePlus Nord CE 4 Lite is a fantastic option.